sidste dag ankommer masser af forretningsrejsende til København. Men selvom København skulle være så wonderful, ja, så ser mange af dem aldrig andet end lufthavn, taxa og hotel. Det er en udfordring, 33-årige Lena Andersson har gjort væsentligt mindre, i hvert fald for de morgenfriske forretningsfolk.
Solen er kun lige stået op over Hotel Hilton i København, hvor Alex Hazley gør klar til business as unusual.
Oftentimes I don't even remember the city that I'm actually traveling. And you know, I check the block, yes, I made it to that city or made it to that country, but other than that I don't even get to see any sights.
Men det skal han i dag.
I feel like I know you already.
Great to finally meet you.
Great to finally meet you too. This is going to be fun.
For Lena Andersson her har fået en idé, der gør det lidt sjovere for forretningsfolk som Alex Hazley og hans morgenfriske kollegaer at besøge København.
I'm excited. I think it'll be nice to see the city when it's a little more quiet. And I love running, so I figured it was a good way to combine the two. And then I have to be at work early, so it was the only way we could fit a tour in before our meetings.
Let's start.
6,5 kilometer guided tur i løbesko.
Welcome to Denmark's #1 tourist attraction.
Med både det, der skal være,
All to yourselves.
She's curvy, it's great. She doesn't look like an anorexic model. I appreciate that.
Perfect.
Thank you.
men også en hel del om os danskere i almindelighed.
Did you drink snaps last night? If it tastes nice, then you got the tourist version.
Dem på toppen.
This is amazing. Wow.
This is the Queen's Palace, ja. Det er en følelse af stolthed først og fremmest. Det er at vise København frem, som er så frisk og så flot.
Og Alex Hazley ved for en gangs skyld, hvor han er, og har ikke mindst noget at skrive hjem om.
You're not going to send pictures or stories of your meetings, but this will last.
In terms of holiday, we have about 5-6 weeks a year. Then we have the public holidays.
Lena's fantastic. She knows her stuff. She knows the city. She knows just the right amount of information to give us before we go and start running again. To see the next site.
It was first called Absalon's Fort, then it was Copenhagen Castle, and then it was Christiansborg, named after one of our kings.
Efter en time
Tada!
er det slut, men amerikanerne har fået øje på mere end København.
I'm serious. I think we should start it in the US. I told her that she should come into business with me. I'll leave Deloitte and do this. So, yeah, I definitely think it has the opportunity to grow.
It was an unusual start to a business day, and now it's just the regular rigmarole of the workday.
Med andre ord, tid til business as usual.
Sådan en løbetur koster 150 kroner. Andreas Nyholm